Hi, it's Kimberly Kay, and I know it's been a long, hard winter, but now it's time to shed those layers and get ready to party! With Big Gay Hudson Valley, here are some Stoli cocktails to get your party started.
Hey, I'm Rocky and I'm a finalist for the Stoli Key West Cocktail Classic. And this is how you make my drink, the Key West Kitty Cat. 2 ounces of Stoli vanilla vodka, dab of cream of coconut, 1.5 ounces of pineapple juice, 1/2 ounce of Key West key lime juice, a 2 count of simple syrup. Shake it. A splash of green beans. And then we're gonna top it off with cinnamon. Garnish it with edible flowers and a pineapple.